3 bird's eye chilies smashed. That looks absolutely superb. Look at that. Look at the colours in that pan. Look at the curry sauce. Look at the oil separation. That is a fantastic looking jalfrezi made from scratch. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick today. Jalfrezi. We did the talking the other day on the madras. This is the second of the 3 curries in a row to show you how to make it at home. It's simple. I've got a whole bundle of ingredients on here which will be listed in the description. Without further ado and not much talking, we're just going to start cooking the curry. Okay, pan on, heat on, oil in. About 3 tablespoons. Warm it up. Garlic ginger paste. Now you can use garlic paste if you so wish. In. Whiz round. A whole bundle of spices. In. Bloom out your spices in your oil. Oh, I love that smell. In with some onion paste. And for those who didn't watch the madras video, I suggest you go watch it. But you know, the onion paste is basically a lot of onions covered in oil with a bit of garam masala, cooked in the oven till they're all soft and they've got that taste, and then liquidized. So all we're doing is we're actually blooming out the spices, and if you could smell this, it's amazing. If you try this, you'll know exactly what I mean. Now don't forget, these onions have already been cooked, so you don't have to go bananas. This is the start of our base for this. Chicken. In. Start cooking your chicken in there with that onion spice mix. Quite big pieces of chicken these actually. I've cut these a little bit too big, I reckon. Okay, make a space in with all the veg. Just start that cooking in there. Okay, that's been about a minute. In with our tomato paste. Give a little stir in there. Bring this curry together. So all we're doing now is cooking out a little bit of that rawness of that tomato paste. A little bit of boiling water. We've got to make a sauce in there. A little bit more water. And then all we need to do now is cook it until we get the desired consistency that we require. Now I'm going in with some coriander. In we go. So what we'll do is we'll cook it just a little bit thicker, and then we're just going to throw in the tomatoes. Tomatoes go in near the end. We don't want to turn them into mush. And in this pan we've got the oil separation coming through the sauce, as you can see, with all the little red dots everywhere and the little pools of oil. So it's looking good. In with our tomatoes, give them a stir in, give it a cooking for just a couple of minutes, and we're ready to serve. Just look at that. That looks absolutely superb. Look at that. Look at the colours in that pan. Look at the curry sauce. Look at the oil separation. That is a fantastic looking jalfrezi made from scratch. Flame off and let's serve some up. Ho ho! Look at that. There we are, jalfrezi made at home. Let's get into this chicken. Cool, it's a bit hot. Oh, some chicken, some veg, some sauce. That veg is still firm. Give it a go. Oh man, oh man, that is delicious. Soft, tender chicken. Crunchy veg. I've got a bit of a dew on, but it is 100 degrees outside. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.